DJI isn't slowing down. Just days after images of the Osmo 360 hit the web, we're now getting our best look yet at the DJI Osmo Action 6, thanks to a wave of leaks straight from regulatory filings. And no, these aren't low-res leaks from the usual rumor mills. These are official images pulled from the FCC and SGS listings. The Action 6 has been rumored since late 2024, and now, with DJI's confidentiality period over, the camera has started showing up in real detail. We're talking full product shots, internal documents, and even a peek at the user manual. So let's break down what's new. From the leaked FCC images, the Action 6 looks quite similar to the Action 5 Pro. We're getting a dual-screen setup, a front-facing display, and a larger rear touchscreen, plus a chunky camera module up front. But what's new is a mysterious pill-shaped element right beneath the front display. Its purpose isn't confirmed yet. It could be a sensor, a mic, or maybe even an LED. Nothing in the manual reveals its function yet. Sources like Hakasushi have pointed out that the design might not be final. However, based on past DJI releases, the final product often sticks closely to the FCC-certified version. One of the more telling details in these FCC documents is the presence of two battery options: 1,770 mAh and 1,950 mAh. That instantly raises the question: are we getting two versions of this camera? It wouldn't be surprising. DJI did something similar with the Action 5 Pro, which came with the 1,950 mAh battery. A tiered strategy could mean a standard model with a slightly smaller battery and fewer pro-grade features, and a premium version built for creators who need more endurance and performance. There's even a chance the Pro name gets dropped entirely, leaving us with a cleaner lineup that still targets different user needs. The user manual from the FCC filing confirms a few more technical specs. As expected, the Osmo Action 6 will feature Bluetooth 5.1 and dual-band Wi-Fi, both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. That's pretty much standard now, but it's important for fast wireless transfers and syncing with your phone or tablet. And just like with the design, the labeling on the camera itself confirms the retail name: Osmo Action 6. So we're not just looking at a generic placeholder or early prototype. This is the real thing. While the FCC documents don't dig into video resolution or sensor specs, the rumors have already started flying. Word is, DJI might be packing a much larger image sensor into the Action 6, possibly even approaching the 1-inch mark. That would be a big move for an action camera, especially if they're also using stacked CMOS technology. It could solve one of the main complaints about the Action 5 Pro, which struggled a bit in low-light conditions. The video side might get a serious upgrade too. Industry chatter suggests we could be looking at 5.3K or 8K video, along with 4K at 120 FPS, and maybe even 240 FPS slow motion at 4K. Add improved stabilization, cleaner image processing, and better 10-bit color support, and this thing could be a content creator's dream. DJI clearly wants to close the gap with GoPro, and if the specs hold up, they're on the right track. So far, DJI hasn't said a word officially. But since the FCC's 180-day confidentiality period just ended, it's a safe bet that a launch isn't far off. The current expectation is a summer 2025 reveal, likely close to the Osmo 360's launch window. That would be a smart move, putting two fresh cameras out there to cover different use cases: one traditional, one 360. DJI's not just following GoPro anymore. They're setting themselves up to cover more ground with possibly two versions of the Action 6, offering broader appeal and more focused features. Whether you're a casual user looking for reliability and ease of use, or a creator chasing buttery 4K slow-mo, the Action 6 could be shaping up to deliver both. Let us know what you think. Is this enough to pull you away from GoPro? Or are you still waiting for DJI to make a bolder move?